Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The hue represents the color in your image. The saturation represents the intensity of the color. You can adjust these settings further with the Hue and Saturation command. To do this, select Enhance, Adjust Color, Adjust Hue/Saturation from the menu bar. In the Hue and Saturation dialog box that opens, you can see a drop-down menu. You can use the drop-down to select the colors to modify. You can make changes to all of the colors, meaning the master channel, or you can select individual colors to modify. Then drag the sliders that are shown to produce your desired effect. Note that you can also check the Colorize checkbox to apply a single color to your image. This can produce a nice tinted effect in images, such as colorizing a grayscale photo. When you are finished, simply click the OK button to save your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.